Hi friends, in this video we will tell you some interesting and shocking facts about Jacqueline Fernandez, who is known for her fitness and flexibility in the Bollywood. She was born on 11th August 1985 in Manama, Bahrain, and she was raised in a multi-ethnic family. Her father, Elroy Fernandez, is a Sri Lankan Berger, and her mother, Kim, is the Malaysian and Canadian descent. Her father was a musician in Sri Lanka and moved to Bahrain in 1980s to escape the civil unrest in Sri Lanka at that time. There, he met with her mother, who was working as an air hostess. You might be surprised to know that Jacqueline Fernandez is a highly educated lady. After receiving her early education in Bahrain, she studied mass communication at the University of Sydney in Australia. After graduating, she did a couple of television shows in Sri Lanka. She also attended a school of languages where she learned Spanish and improved her French and Arabic as well. In other words, she can speak a lot of languages. Jacqueline says that she had aspired to become an actress at a young age and fantasized about becoming a Hollywood movie star. She could not be a Hollywood movie star, but certainly today she is the Bollywood movie star. She was Miss Universe Sri Lanka in 2006, and in 2009 she started working in Bollywood. She debuted with Aladdin and since then has established a career in the Hindi film industry. Alongside her screen acting, Fernandez has worked as a judge in the 9th season of the dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja, is a popular celebrity and endorser for various brands and products. She has participated in stage shows and is active in humanitarian work as well.